Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this one we are going to be discussing more about Quant because it has been giving some pretty decent gains in the past couple of weeks. Now guys, if we scroll down over here, you can see that about 2 weeks ago I had mentioned Quant to you and why I told you that you should be buying some Quant, and I mentioned it around like $100. And if you take a look over to its price right now, you can see it is up by nearly 20% from that, which is pretty good because this coin is insanely massive in market cap and it is like rank 31, so you can't be expecting like a 2x or 3x in just like 15 to 20 days. I mean, if you are in a bull market, for sure you can expect those type of gains, but as you already know, we are in a bear market and any type of gains are really good for the bear market and for all of us who are potentially losing money in this market which is going down and sideways for a long period of time. By the way guys, if you haven't already, make sure to drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel because our next goal is going to be 2000 subscribers. I would like to reach that before April hits, so let's see if we can do that because I am 100% sure that we're going to be able to do that. And yeah, so guys, first of all, I need to show you the price of Quant and everything that has been happening behind the project because not much has changed for Quant. However, more and more eyeballs are coming onto it, and as we are seeing that Bitcoin and Ethereum are also going up in price, this is one of the major cases why the price of Quant has risen that much. So if we take a look over to its market cap, it's about $1.7 billion, which is absolutely insane, and it is insanely massive for a project like this, which is already in its early stages and it has not even fully being developed at all. The 24-hour trading volume also looks pretty decent, somewhere around 36 million, which is obviously pretty decent. Now, if we check out the max supply of the project, you can see the max supply is only 14 million, and this was my primary reason why I told you guys to invest into this project, because the maximum supply is so low that if this project booms up and more and more people get to know about this project, your investment will be growing like about 10 to 100x in the next market rally, just because the target this Quant is basically targeting is people with big money and big amounts of money. So when that money flows in, your investment could be 100x and 500x or even more than that, and this could be sitting right beside Ethereum and Bitcoin in market cap in the next market rally. Now guys, one more thing I would like to mention. Now Wyatt is another coin which I had mentioned on my channel. Now this was a coin which had been shown to me by a friend called cryptocurrencies. I'm sure a lot of you might already know him, and because a lot of my audience watches him as well. And I had mentioned this coin on $0.02, and as you can see, the current price of Wyatt is about $0.12. Now if we take a look over to its chart for the last 30 days, you can see that it has been going up. I had mentioned this coin somewhere around here, and as you can see, the price was like 0.02, and now it's at 0.12, so potentially like a 600% gain on your investment in a month. I mean, cheers to all of you making money in the bear market, and if you followed my calls. Anyways guys, if we move over to Quant, if we scroll down, we will be able to see that we are still down by roughly 70% from the all-time highs. So we are not even close to getting those all-time highs, and I'm sure that we are long ways far from the all-time highs. But as we progress further and further in the market, we are able to see some really nice gains, because a lot of people are now speculating that the Bitcoin bottom and the Ethereum bottom is already in, something which I believe in as well, because I believe that before 12 months before the halving is where most amount of gains are made, and also after that. And as you already know, the Bitcoin halving is in April 2024, and we are really close to that mark. So I think that the bull markets might be back sooner than you think. I might be wrong or I might be right, but who knows, because that is the game of the crypto markets these days. Anyways guys, let me take you over to the website and give you a brief overview of what they basically are. I have already made tons of videos on them, so you can check them all out if you would like to. I go in depth, but basically guys, let's just check who they are serving. Because when we look at a project, when we look at a gaming project, we see that they are basically serving the gamers, the developers who are interested in building games. And that's how we look at how high a market cap of a project can basically go. And when they type in who we serve in Quant, and we get financial institutions, enterprises, partners and developers, we already know that some of the biggest companies are going to be a part of Quant. And when they are part of the Quant and understand the basic use cases of Quant and how much better it is from the other projects, more and more money will be flowing into this project, making sure that your investment is increasing substantially in value. Now how does this project does that? Well, they have a lot of products, they have a networks, they have their ecosystem. Now their solutions are built on the same patent pending products and trusted networks that we make available to our partners. I mean, this is something which I really like in a project. As you can see, they're basically targeting the financial institutions. Their main tagline is also the future of finance today. You can get started right now if you would like that, but I think this project has that massive potential because it is targeting some big money. And whenever a project does that and it has a good product behind it, most of the times they succeed. And when they succeed, the amount of gains and the amount of money that flows into this project is absolutely amazing. Now if we scroll down over here, you can see that they are unlocking the power of blockchain for everyone. They deliver interoperable ecosystem and real world solutions that lower cost, enable new business and mitigate risk. Everything which a business owner and big tech companies and big companies in general really want. If we scroll down, we can find out an empowered interconnected world. They serve banks, asset managers and other financial institutions. Guys, this is the main point which I'm talking about again and again in this video as well, and what I did in my previous videos as well. Just because when a company is serving the banks, banks are basically the source of all the money around the world. And when they are serving that institution, you already know that this project is gonna be big if a lot of banks get on in this project. Now do I think all of the banks are gonna be heading in on the project? Most likely scenario, no. But if this project does well, even if they get like 15 to 20 banks across the world, that should be more than enough to bump up the market cap of this coin by billions of dollars, which is something we are all really hoping for in the next market rally. And yeah guys, that is gonna be pretty much it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think about Quant, and join the Discord because it's completely free and we discuss about the next 100x in general over there. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.